Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Hello. Star Wars. Star Wars.
We just got here in time for the Star Wars meetup. Always the best thing to do if you're a cosplayer, if you're a big fan, is just come and like, hang out in front of the fountain. You get to see all the costumes.
The best costume, the only one I care about seeing today, is your wonderful pilot Leia.
Well, I borrowed this from Natalie. I was like, I forgot to plan for Wondercon. Do you have a costume I can borrow? I have a whole closet of costumes you can borrow. I've always wanted to wear an X-Wing pilot suit, and she has one. She made this, so I thought it'd be cool to do a Leia version of it, like in the comic books. Here we go.
And you already had the helmet. You've had that for so long.
Of course.
All in preparation for this. Awesome.
Since Ashleigh put on the pilot suit as Leia, figured I needed to finally pull out my Empire Strikes Back Luke Skywalker. I've had this for a while, just haven't gotten around to wearing it, but...
You've never worn this.
No. I love this outfit though, those are my favorites. I used to have this outfit a long time ago, but this is my new version. It's still very clean. I need to roll around on Dagobah a little bit with it. It's fun. So many good costumes here right now.
That is you! Like, wait a minute. So Natalie made the
Orange jumpsuit and pretty much the entire X-Wing outfit Ashleigh's wearing.
Pretty much the entire thing.
Yeah, we're gonna have Ashleigh as Cobb next.
Oh my god. It looks so good.
Yeah, and Natalie put together this amazing Cobb Vantha.
We're going into.
Yay, Wondercon!
Hi! I need more coffee.
We do need more coffee.
We all need more coffee. It's time for Star Wars and Wondercon and all the geeky things. Welcome aboard, flight crew. We are at Wondercon. We're going to be looking for everything Star Wars again at the convention today. That's what we love to do when we come here. There's a ton of Star Wars costumers already that we just saw. We're dressed up. Hope you guys have a fun time hanging out with us, looking for all the fun things Star Wars here, and just hanging out, having a nice, easy day at Wondercon. Little first order trooper. That's awesome.
All right, everybody, 2 good steps back. Don't trip on Danny.
Costume. She's got a ball. The Grogu costume. She's got a little ball.
As she was saying, she likes the Grogu costumer right here.
Mando, yes, Mando.
She's got a little ball. It's awesome.
Okay, go.
So we already pretty much found all the Star Wars costumers.
We got all of them. They're right here.
They're all right there, guys.
They're all right here.
So that's one thing we don't have to really look for today, because as we always do, looking for all the Star Wars things here at the conventions, this is one of the most fun things about WonderCon, is everybody dressed up. Particularly, we love seeing all the Star Wars costumes. I'm sure we're going to see so many more when we're actually on the floor in the convention center.
Yes.
Are you excited to see any particular characters?
No. I'm just excited to walk around, be a big nerd.
I know. You look like an amazingly big nerd. I don't know. It's trying to like not be.
I love it.
Your hose isn't connected.
This allows you to go to the bathroom when you're just walking around the
I
convention
wish.
floor.
I wish. This is going to be really hard to go pee in. Oh, they had some roller skates.
That would be amazing.
We're inside picking up our badges right now. With this convention and even celebration coming up, you still have to wear a mask and you have to show proof of your vaccination to get in.
Well, you're a pilot. Where do we go?
Right. You have the Force. Where do we go? Oh, wait, I have the Force too. Right?
You do have the Force, but hey, do you know that yet? I barely know how to do anything yet.
All I know is you can't touch me today.
Oh,
It's gonna be
that's the rule.
You're my
Ashley's like,
brother.
no kissing, no touching. She is Leia. I am Luke. We
No
have to
holding
respect the trilogy. Okay, we'll do my best.
You're my brother.
Also no holding hands, because last time I was holding hands with Ashleigh, my lightsaber just went whack and just smashed her hand. The Jedi gun belt has a lot of dangerous things on it right now. The sound of lightsabers. Usually at every one of these conventions, Ultra Sabers is here. I have no opinion on them. I have an Ultra Saber. I got a Vader one years ago. It was one of my first ones. What's cool about them too is like you can just like get one right now on the convention floor and they'll have it ready for you by the end of the night and you can pick it up. That's when I got hooked, because when I bought my Vader saber, I was like, I can get it now? Awesome.
Oh, wow, Drew. That's cool. Yeah, it's bad.
I was just gonna say, I had my hair as long as yours, like
Maybe a month ago.
So you look perfect as Chewbacca.
Thank you.
You guys look awesome together.
I like the costume too.
Oh my god, thank you.
So Ashleigh and I are going to be turned into action figures right now. We're at least getting scanned to possibly print ourselves.
See what it looks like.
But we'll have a cool little 3D turnaround like you just saw in that video of some other people. There was a fun Star Trek.
Oh, we can do one
group.
together.
We could do one together. We should maybe, do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do. Let's do that. Okay, we're going to do that. So we just got scanned in there. Cameras take a photo of you all around in 360.
Yeah, y'all have some perfect expressions on it.
Look at those butts.
Coming back. Ah, there it is.
I think we'll look pretty good as
Brilliant.
an action figure.
I love it.
All right.
I think we should do that, flight crew. We'll have to come back and check out ordering one of those figures. I know we're looking for Star Wars, but we also are in love with Star Trek now. This company makes like custom jackets. This is pretty cool.
Wow. I can see you wanting that.
I know. That would be fun as like a sort of bounding streetwear jacket.
You can get a gold one for Data.
So cool.
So this is how Luke keeps his pants up on this little outfit. He's got the suspenders. Starfleet jacket. Ooh, that's cool.
That's really cool on you.
Oh, this feels good too. Dang it. Dang, that's cool.
You like it?
Oh, it's cool,
Check
yeah.
out the mirror.
Good point. It could be. I was just debating buying one of these, and I don't want to spend the money. But now she's like, "It is your birthday," which is
I
like
didn't
next
give you
week.
anything for your birthday yet, so.
This could be the birthday gift.
Birthday gift.
We could do it
You want
together. Yeah, we could do that. I think this is a good acquisition. Hey, flight crew, we are walking outside, taking some photos, getting some really good shots of Ashleigh and her pilot. Because let's be honest, she looks the best right now.
You're just saying that because I bought you that cool jacket.
Oh, you did. Ashleigh bought me such a cool jacket for my birthday. I love it so much. Sorry again, guys. It is a Star Trek themed jacket, but that's really cool because there's not a lot of Star Trek merchandise that exists out there.
It
So
looks really cool on you.
it does. It looks like a bounding jacket. When you flip open the little flap on it, I was like, this feels like Star Wars, Han Solo, kind of lush. Look at Mando and Grogu. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a good daddy. He's got the stroller too.
It could be a mom.
It could be a mom. That's a good point. Yeah, we're just walking, going to get some other location shots. We just took some right outside because there's some good architecture over there. Speaking of Star Trek again, we just started watching Picard, which is the newest seasons of Star Trek. And literally the entire WonderCon convention center is Starfleet Academy.
So funny.
Literally security check when we come in is like the same entranceway in the show. I'm like, that's the
I'm walking
WonderCon.
through here too.
Yeah, this all back here. All of this, sorry, is Starfleet Academy. So it's like kind of perfect to do a little Star Trek stuff here. I was jealous. My friend was wearing Star Trek yesterday, and it's like literally the set of the show. Like you can't get a more perfect place to take photos.
Yeah.
Here, but this is a really good area to get photos.
Even over here where the jumble and the cement right there.
Oh, that would be cool. So take note of this stuff because flight crew, this is going to be where Celebration is in like 2 months. So if you're coming, you want to figure out where to take photos, this is one of the best areas to do it. Wow, look at that.
I'm so happy that you're alive and you survived. And you're not babysitting Grogu. Good. Don't let anybody punch him. Okay.
I have spoken.
You have spoken. I don't know if you can hear that, flight crew.
I took it off.
There's some nuclear fusion. I don't know, nuclear reactor? What is it on your bag?
It's unlicensed nuclear accelerator,
Oh, okay.
but you know it's fine. It's stable. Don't worry about it.
Totally.
Could you make a lightsaber with that backpack on your back?
You know what? We could actually maybe. No, it'll be a funny stream. It'll
be
be
a-
like it'll be a wavy like lightsaber, and there's no stopping it. So
It'd be even funnier than Kylo's lightsaber.
it would be.
probably.
It would be funny. But you know what? That'd be cool. It's a great idea to anybody out there. Get a kyber crystal, Ghostbuster kyber crystal, put it in a wand. There you go.
I think that would be cool.
Heck yeah.
I like that sign. It goes with your outfit right now.
Halloween inside my head.
Ashleigh.
Makeup kit.
I kind of buy this. It's so cute. Obi-Wan is just hanging out. R2's over here. Ooh. R2's playing music?
It's so good to see you.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Kenobi,
Oh my gosh. R2 is playing the hidden message right now. Oh, that is so amazing! Yeah, I know! Wow, R2 says the convention's amazing. I think R2 is the coolest thing we've found Star Wars-wise at the convention yet.
So far.
I think that's cool. We've never found the hidden plans from Princess Leia, her secret message. Obi-Wan is right over there, actually, if you want to bring it to him. He's literally right over there. Yeah, exactly. R2, stay out of trouble. You look wonderful. You've never looked better.
Oh my gosh, look at all your little details. All of them are lit up and working amazing. So awesome. Oh.
Just a reminder, R2 just said to like and subscribe, Flight Crew. Listen, R2 said so. Exactly. Do it right now. Speaking of droids and R2-D2, we're over at the Droid Builders Club, which is one of the coolest clubs, but one of the most time-consuming, I would think, because it takes a lot of work to really build these droids.
This is a full-scale mouse droid. They're so much bigger than you would really think. Oh, we got Grogu.
We saw a video online of this Grogu was actually remote control, and he was walking around, and like,
Did you see that?
it was so amazing. And he was going up to R2-D2 and talking to him.
So much work to put one of these droids together.
Oh, Chopper! Yeah! No way!
Oh my God, did you see that?
Wow! You don't say R2. R2! One of the most impressive things to be here and see these droids and like see them interacting and waving. Okay, all I want to see is Chopper throw his 2 arms up in the air and just cause some sass or something.
Wow, this is so cool. Doing a little dance with them?
Showing off.
Showing off again. Oh, I love it.
Oh, you love droids.
Amazing.
We all love
It's our song.
It is our song.
It's your song and my song.
It is. It's ours.
It's our
Just
song.
us. Flight Crew, you can enjoy it too. It's fine. Oh my God! He did move. Here's a guy.
Oh, I missed it.
That's so good. That is so good. So good. There you go, Flight Crew. Never trust a stormtrooper. They're always on duty.
I
so
missed
good.
I
it.
literally thought the black one in the corner was a real guy.
You thought so, yeah?
Got some Black Series figures. We got a Cody.
Amazing Ahsoka. I never saw this one before.
We have the rest of the Bad Batch. We got Tech. We got
Quill. This is who we saw outside earlier. The costumer dressed as Quill.
I always forget his name. Moff Gideon one is awesome.
Yeah, I've not seen a lot of toys yet, really. We just started really walking around the floor, so the Black Series ones are always awesome. They look like actual statues, which is why I like those ones. Still controlling on buying too many of them, though.
Really weird smell.
You had this Barbie
I
figure?
did, and her dress smelled weird. I don't know what it was.
Some fake.
It had a distinct smell.
Oh wow. That's really cool. Some Deep Space Nine. We just started watching this show as well. This guy's great. I like him a lot. He's fun.
Yeah, it's about $50 too.
Oh, they're expensive. $150. She's looking at the Book of the Dead already.
Is it our key?
I said last time, but you know all the
I worked on all 3 of those posters. It's fun to sometimes come to the conventions and see the work that you did there. I art directed all 3 of those posters for the Mandalorian and for the Book of Boba Fett. It's like Simpsons, but Mando and Grogu. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get this pin set. I also like this blaster. Solo and Carbonite's kind of fun too. Cool, so I just picked up the Han Solo blaster, which a Master Luke style hilt. Really cool. Just finger guns. Oh, look at that, it's just Luke on his tauntaun in the distance.
Very subtle picture. You can see the Wampa in the background.
No life signs.
Oh, there it is. You can see it a lot easier. Yeah, no life signs. That's fun.
Yeah, so Princess Leia holding a lightsaber.
Oh, that's so great.
Like there's this one girl that got our Sith holocron pin, and she pulled it.
Or like all 3.
She bought the pin and then she made like her own like art.
What's up, flight crew?
Yo!
I'm here with Brandon, part of the flight crew. We're here at the Hilton Bar. We kind of just left the convention at some point. We've just been hanging out, socializing with friends, doing things we haven't done in a long time because we haven't had conventions in a long time.
No conventions.
Have you had a good time at the convention so far this
It's
year?
been pretty great. It's been pretty great. A little stressful, but great, as conventions sometimes are.
Brandon wanted to be in the vlog.
I wanted to be in this vlog.
And we were just having fun. So Brandon's in the vlog now.
I'm in the vlog.
I love showing the flight crew. Flight crew is in the vlog, flight crew. If you guys, again, if you ever see us at a convention, come say hi.
Say hi.
We are friendly.
They're so nice.
Yes. Thank you, Brandon.
They're great.
So Brandon's in the vlog now, flight crew.
Yeah.
Say hello to Brandon.
I love it. Always believe.
There you go.
That's how I feel.
Julian is testing out Ashleigh's X-Wing pilot helmet from Black Series helmet, and it's so much fun. If you guys have ever played with this one, it does all the lights and sounds from the Battle of Yavin. I think it does the Battle of Hoth too. I watched A New Hope wearing that helmet, and it's so like immersive to wear it. Anyways, guys, we're at the end of our night. We kind of just left the convention, ended up over here at the Hilton, which is one of the hotels here at WonderCon, and we've just been hanging out with friends. We've been hanging out with flight crew members like. We met Brandon earlier. Other flight crew members have been coming up and saying hi. It's been so nice to say hi to everybody here and be back at the convention again. We miss WonderCon so much. It's such a fun convention. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today, looking for everything Star Wars here at WonderCon. You know that we always have fun here, so thank you for being here. If you're new here, I hope you guys consider joining the flight crew by subscribing to this episode. We're going to be here at the Anaheim Convention Center for Star Wars Celebration in a month. Let us know in the comments below what you liked about today's episode. Thank you again, flight crew, for hanging out. Tiffany, how are you liking the helmet?
I didn't know it actually made noises.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You having a Star Wars moment right now?
Yes, I love this. Oh my God.
We're going to say goodbye to the flight crew. Thank you guys for being here. See you guys next time. Always believe. Woo!